What is up, world of YouTube? Today, little tool haul. Got us some Blue-point kits here. First one is BLPTSSC43. That's Boy, Lincoln, Paul, Tom, Sam, Charlie, 43. Move this kind of out of the way for a second. This one is a 43-piece Torx kit. It comes with, of course, you can see your long bits, short bits. It comes with an assortment of E-sockets, your inverted Torx. Inverted Torx, it goes E4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. Now, in the long, it goes, we got TT for the long ones, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, and T60. In the shorts, it's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. So you've got one of each in either short or long, and some of your smaller ones are 1/4 inch drive, and then you'll get up here to your 3/8 drive, and then of course your little bit bigger ones are a 1/2 inch drive. Nice little blow mold case. They really didn't waste a bunch of space with this. Do get a foam pad that displays and tells you where everything should be. So if you're missing one, you know, it's in the blow mold of the case itself. Plus you have a little foam pad to keep them all, still keep them from moving around. Oh, I did forget to mention, they are the Tamper set. And it's got the little hole in the end of them. So they're not the solid Torx. Even the, I've not got to use these yet, by the way, but even your long shanks are the tamper proof. I got those just for simple fact. Figured, well, they'll work just as good as the regular Torx, you know. The next kit is BLPHSSC30. Boy, Lincoln, Paul, Henry, Sam, Charlie, 30. This is a 30-piece hex kit. It's got the foam piece, same as the kit before it. Shows you where everything is, etc., etc. It's got both standard and metric in this kit. The metric, it goes 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 14, 17, and 19. Alright, for your standards, it goes 18, or 1/8, 9/64, 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, 1/4 inch. Where am I at here? You have another 1/4. This one is in 3/8 drive, where the other one is 1/4 inch drive. 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, and 3/4. I did overlook these down here, these metrics. It's 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But I mean, you've got, like I said, 1/4 inch drive, a 2.5 itty bitty little thing, all the way up to a 19 millimeter. So it covers quite a bit. Now, of course, your last few sockets here are going to be 1/2 inch drive. So you can put your back into it and get some things done. Broke loose, but pretty good little kit. They didn't waste really no space down here on bottom. They did on top, but hey, it is what it is. But good little kits. I have used a few of the Allen or the Hex here, but that's it for today's Blue-point off the Snap-on truck tool haul. I appreciate you all. I very much do. Hit that subscribe button down there in the corner. Hit the bell notification so you know when I put out some new content for you. Give it a thumbs up if you like what you got. Give it a thumbs down if you hated what I gave you. So leave a comment down there in the comment section below. If you've got these kits, what you think about them, and we'll continue from there.